How do you know when it's time to say goodbye to a favorite playground? A place where you played, maybe where your kids still play. In this video, we'll try to answer that question and show you the thought and planning process that took one small Indiana community from this to this.
Somewhere about 1984 or 85.
Jim Smith is the township trustee in Staunton, Indiana. He says despite the age of the playground at Optimist Park, it is still popular.
It's time. It's used a lot, and as you can see, it's got some wear. I can no longer buy replacement parts, so we had to kind of hodgepodge together some stuff to keep it going.
You know when it's time to get a new playground when you begin to see wear and tear. You'll start to see your set or system deteriorate. You'll start to be missing parts. You'll have loose parts, missing parts that are difficult to replace.
So Jim sat down with Mandy and some young experts to work on budgets, needs, designs, and inspiration for a new commercial playground.
I'm really excited. They're gonna have lots of slides and swings, and they're gonna have talk tubes.
She had some input from the grandkids, and her designs came back exactly what we wanted.
It's gonna be bigger, and it's gonna have talk tubes.
There were 4 children that helped plan, and they liked everything.
Hi!
Things like talk tubes. We'll show you plenty of before and after examples, but none are more important and obvious than safety. The old playground had a spiral slide with a really steep climb and a few safety considerations.
That's another thing you want to think about is as your playground ages, it may be aging out of compliance. And so safety is a huge factor. They had platforms that were up in the air without proper safety barriers, and that becomes a significant safety hazard.
A lot of it is about safety. You know, we got a lot of rough edges, we got a lot of splinters. You just cannot keep on top of that.
AAA State of Play took out the old in late November and put in the new, including borders and surfacing, just before Christmas. The first day it was ready for play was a little cold and damp, but not a problem. Need meets imagination here. Let's look at some other befores and afters. The old tire swing had plenty of mileage. The new saucer swing is ready to hit the road with the new generation of drivers. This crawl tube was old and moldy on the outside and leaking inside.
There's water there!
This new rope tube to the second level is both challenging and safer, and it leads to an upper level with the perfect payoff. Not much left in the imagination here, just spinning a creaky wheel. Now there are several moving, even musical challenge panels that help with problem solving and upper body exercise. And another huge after is access.
It'll be ADA and all that compliant.
From rusted steps, sharp edges, and dangerous drops to newer, safer, and well-designed features like a rope bridge. There are climbing and balance challenges throughout this playground.
Oh my God, we got a couple slides and 2 or 3 rope climbs and a saucer swing, and we couldn't be happier. The community cannot wait to get over here and start playing on it.
When you can put in some new elements and new play features and really update and upgrade your playground, it's exciting.